Boyue is back, or they've never really left, or someone else has taken the reins. It is very confusing what's been going on with Boyue Likebook right now, but they've actually dropped the Likebook name from the devices during this current stage in the business transition. This is the Meebook by Boyue, but mostly Haoqing, Haoqing. Please excuse us on the pronunciation. That is going to be the most internationally accepted way to say Haoqing. This is Android 11 with micro SD card. It has a glow light and 3 gigs of RAM with dual touch. This is not technically Boyue, but it is Boyue, and it comes with the Meebook pen, which is really just the Likebook pen, which is an active capacitive pen. Let's check it out. So we all know the P line from Boyue Likebook, and this is the P78 Pro, pretty much a continuation of the P78 non-Pro. And they are said to make the P10 Pro and a bunch of other units as well. This is a fresh box, so it's very crispy and hard to open. We're going to put this unit off to the side for now. Basically, everything we've seen and felt so far is just the regular Boyue packaging, just with some subtle changes to the documentation. This is the quick star guide. Yes, star. You are a superstar when you use this. It has a home button on the bottom and Type-C with a microphone, so now we know that that is not a hard reset button or anything like that. Hold on to this, and on the inside you have a USB-C cable and a pin that looks like a SIM removal tool that you actually use for the SD card slot. It's not a SIM card slot, so just please note that. They are using this nice wax paper kind of thing instead of plastic. Take that off right there. So we're just going to do a first time boot up just to show you it is a regular product and it does work, and you see a status indicator light on the top there. Funnily enough, this has pretty huge bezels for a 2022 product. The bezels on the top and sides are all fairly huge. You do have some speakers at the bottom, microphone as we saw, USB-C, power button up top, and you have a SIM card slot looking thing on the right for your SD card. So that does turn on, and what else do we have here? We have to look at this because this is the Meebook / Likebook active capacitive pen. Is it going to be any different from the previous one? We don't know. Let's check it out. This already looks completely different than the Boyue pen. It has 2 buttons on the side, and we might have to actually charge this or put some batteries in it. We do. We have to put a quadruple A battery in there, which we will do during the full review, but this thing already looks worlds different than the Boyue pen. The nibs are roughly the same as I can see it, but this is employing a different look. So far, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2022 Meebook Boyue Haoqing collaborative release of the P78 Pro, keeping the so-called Likebook experience alive for all of you wonderful people. You guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and stay tuned for the full review video coming soon. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.